Yes, good afternoon everyone. Gusto ko lang paalam sa inyo guys na accepted na po ang ating SBC Gold as payment sa ating SBC account. So, dito po sa vlog ni admin, nakikita natin yung founders meeting video. Since mataas-taas po yan, skip muna natin yan. Dito po sa kanyang vlog na mayroon na pong September reward schedule, SBFC prepare for launch. Kung may SBFC po kayo dyan, prepare na lang po sa inyong wallet. Just be active and abangan natin ang ating SBFC prepare for launch. Then, SBC Gold statistics. SBC Gold is now accepted for SBCBO payment. Okay, so i-try natin guys na bayaran yung isa sa part sa aking family na na-expire na ang kanyang account. So, bayaran natin siya gamit ang ating custodial wallet. So, copy lang this one. Ito po ang ating custodial wallet. So, yung may maraming SBC Gold dyan, you can try it now. Bayaran natin ng ating pamilya ang kanilang mga account para maaabot na po tayo ng 10,000 SBC members na magiging elite soon. Okay? So, go to account and then pay your or others account. Scroll down mo lang. Pili ka lang dito sa USDT or this SBC Gold. So, try natin ito guys. Pay for other account. And then, email address ng ating babayaran. We'll see this one. And then, gusto ko lang siguro 33. Sige, we'll try $33. And then, continue. Oops. Okay. So, gawin natin siyang SBCG. Yan. Pili lang po kayo dito. I-click mo nyo lang. Since may first time ko rin ito, and then nag-try lang po ako, and then i-try natin. Just read the instructions guys. Okay? And then next, remember to pay now. System will automatically transfer SBCG from your wallet. This message will be okay. So, the system will transfer from your wallet. Okay. And then, we'll wait. Oops. Is it okay now? Check natin guys. After siguro 5 minutes. And since yun po ang process ng pagbayad ng ating SBCBO gamit ang SBC Gold. Okay, so, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo guys na ma-accept na po ang SBC Gold as payment for your SBC account. And then, kung dapat marami po kayong pondo na SBC Gold, by just paying your account, you can receive a free SBC Gold of $35 for this month of September. Okay, so see you in the next vlog guys, and have a blessed day. Bye for now.